Okay, so we are officially done with today's look. We've got high pigtails. That sounds gross. We have high pigtails, and I decided to just ruin my life by making a glitter root. It's literally like 11 o'clock at night, and so as soon as I'm done filming my videos for the week, I'm gonna have to shower all this glitter off before I go to bed. So that was a really smart move, but that's okay because glitter is life. It's a lifestyle. We live it, we're dedicated to it. We must commit ourselves to it because it commits to us. I've also got gold tinsel extensions in my hair. And we are gonna head into wardrobe and put this look together. It's a completely BlackMilk look, all Harry Potter theme, go Gryffindor. I'm really excited. It's fashionette costume, which is kind of my wheelhouse. So I hope you enjoy this look and I will see you in wardrobe. Okay, here is today's look. I am so excited for this. First of all, because, I mean, it's Harry Potter. And who doesn't love Harry Potter? But second of all, because how fucking cute is this look? Also, I just got a season pass to Universal like 2 weeks before COVID. So we went one time, now I've just had this season pass I don't get to use, and I could be at Harry Potter World busting this shit out right now. Looking like a cute little Gryffindor bitch. So for today, we got dress and shirt are both by BlackMilk, and of course, the cute little bow tie. Now, red is obviously not something I wear very often, but I mean, it's Harry Potter, and they don't have a fucking pink house. That's okay, we're gonna make an exception for today. So for jewelry, we've got Vanessa Mooney earrings with the matching rosary. Now this gold chain is actually vintage, and my husband thought it looked like a snitch, so that's why we included it in this outfit. And then this chain necklace, this gold chain right here, I literally made this with ingredients from Etsy. I see them on websites for like 60 or 70 bucks, and I'm just kind of meh about it. But then I saw the chain on Etsy for like $3. So I just bought a clasp and I made this necklace in literally like 3 minutes. So we can mix in vintage, brand new, and DIY all in the same look, and we still look fab. All right, we're gonna get all this stuff put on, and I'm so excited about this look. See you soon. With our final put together Harry Potter Gryffindor look from BlackMilk. I really like this look. I had a lot of fun putting it together. I got a little crazy with the glitter. I also feel like a German beer maid, and I just keep wanting to say Guten Morgen. So if you're German, Guten Morgen. That's all I can say. This is fun. This channel is really fun for me to like actually talk about the looks that I'm doing, because normally I just put this shit on and I'm just like, well, deal with it. I'm weird. This is what I wear. But now I'm like actually having to explain myself, and it's proving to be Awkward. Okay, anyways, what I'm gonna do is actually say that this is really fun and I'm totally confident in it and I'm getting better every single day at speaking on camera when it comes to Roxy Talks style. This is something I'm getting better at every single day. If you are interested in building up your own confidence, getting to the point where you are comfortable in your own skin, maybe comfortable wearing something crazy like this, I do have a confidence-based workshop that you can check out on my website, roxytalks.com. There's an extra special bonus module that's all about confidence in style. If you're interested in starting to redefine who you are and transforming yourself into a different, newer, upgraded version of yourself, head to my website, roxytalks.com, and check out the Manifesting Confidence Workshop. Now I'm headed over to my studio to film this week's episodes of Roxy Talks. So if you're interested in videos about confidence, mindset, and manifestation, head over to Roxy Talks and check out this week's videos. See you there. Today I'm giving you 3 steps to manifesting your ex back easily, quickly, without the headache. Today we are discussing my 30 Days of Alignment Challenge and how you can reprogram your mind in just 1 month. Today we're talking about my signature approach to manifesting, the 360 method, and how you can use it to be in control of your manifestational power 24/7.